Right, this is our Bellwork. Construct a box and a whisker plot for the data set. We got 23, 40, 20 and so on. So this data that we have here is not arranged in order. So the first step that we need to do is to put our data in order. So which number is the smallest? Right, I got 20 here. So I'll start by writing 20, right? So this is 20. Then I need to cross it out. I go to the next number, which is 23. So I got 23 here. I cross it out. The next one is 25. The next one is 29. The next number is 40. Right, then I write down my 40. Okay, we move to 44. Then this is 44. Then the last number is 50, which is the largest number. So you need to recount your numbers to make sure that you included all the values in your arranged data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sounds good. Now the next thing now is to answer the questions that you are given. Right, they're asking me to find the lower extreme, upper quartile, median, upper quartile, upper extreme, IQR, which stands for interquartile range. Okay, let me start by answering the what lower extreme is. Lower extreme is the lowest number that you have in your data. So in this case, my lower extreme is 20. Right, now I write down 20. Then since I've just found the lower extreme, I can quickly go to E where they're asking about upper extreme. So my upper extreme will be my largest number, so it's gonna be 50. Okay, right. Having done that, I need to now to find the median. Okay, the first step, the best way is to find the median first. Right, so the median, I got how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have all the numbers here. So the median is easier to find when we have all the numbers. Right, so I need to count. How do I find my median? Right, the best is to do it this way. You cross out this side, you cross out this side, you cross out this one, you cross out this one, you cross out this one, you cross out this one. So the number that remains becomes my median. So my median here in this case is 29. Okay? Now, since I know that this is my median, right? I need now to find also the median of these numbers to the left of this median that I've just found. So if I manage to find the median for these numbers to the left, they give me my lower quartile. So if I do the same thing, I cross out this, I cross out this, I will remain this with this number which is 23. Right. So my lower quartile will become 23. The next step is to find the median of the numbers that are on the right side of this median. So the median of those numbers gives me what we call the upper quartile. So I've got 40, 44, and 50. So the middle number in this case is this one. Okay, so it means my upper quartile is 44. Right. Now for me now, so before I forget here, another symbol that we can use to remain for upper quartile is Q3, right? For lower quartile is Q1. Median is normally, this median that we found for all the data is normally called Q2, but in this case I don't want to include it to avoid confusion. Now I need to find what we call the interquartile range. From the previous lesson, we said range is the difference that we get when we say the highest value that we have in our data minus the lowest data the lowest number that I have in my data, sorry. Okay, so in this case, to find the interquartile range, I must say Q3, right, minus Q1. All right, so now I have this one. What I need is now to plug in the values that I have. So my Q3 according to this one is 44. Then my Q1 is 23. If I do my calculation here, I'll find my interquartile range is 4 minus 3 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, right? So that's it.